Welcome to the Piano and series by Avia Learn. Today is Piano and Four Hands. We'll talk about the importance of eye contact in the piano duet setting and how the understanding of musical cues can improve our solo piano playing. Eye contact is like a preparatory cue, enabling you to communicate with musical cues, dynamics, and tempo changes before they happen. This is different from nodding, which is a cue that happens on the point. It's like when we are driving, the turning signal is a preparatory cue that the driver uses to indicate their intention to turn or change lanes before they actually do so. On the other hand, turning the steering wheel can be seen as the equivalent of nodding in piano duet performance, since both can signal an immediate change in direction or warning. So, what if we use eye contact in a piano duet performance? By using eye contact, you can greatly enhance the overall musical performance and make it feel more cohesive, just like the other two techniques we talked about before, breathing and nodding. On top of that, maintaining eye contact with your fellow musician can also foster a deeper connection between you both, allowing you to better anticipate each other's movements and make the necessary adjustments, creating a sense of trust and collaboration. We use eye contact and other subtle cues to create a seamless and synchronized performance. In today's examples, let's go through them with detailed explanations. Before starting their performance, these two pianists look at each other to make sure they are both ready to play. And here, the eye contact indicates they are about to start pushing the tempo forward. And then here, they use eye contact to synchronize their timing and dynamic in the music. On the other hand, what if there's no eye contact in the piano duet performance? Without eye contact, it can be challenging to communicate effectively with the other pianist. It may result in miscommunication or missed musical cues, which can negatively impact the overall musical experience. It's like trying to having a conversation with someone without looking at them. It's hard to connect and understand each other. Here is an extreme example. Did you know that learning and recognizing musical cues can greatly benefit our solo piano playing? As a performer, Being able to identify musical cues, such as changes in harmony, tempo, or dynamics, can help you prepare for transitions and changes in the music. By being aware of these cues, you can better anticipate and prepare for the next session and make the performance smoother. This skill can also enhance your interpretation of the piece, as you can use musical cues to convey the intended emotion and expression. So, next time you are practicing or performing solo piano, pay attention to the musical cues and see how he can help you better prepare and deliver a more engaging experience for the listener. Thank you for watching this video. Using preparatory and musical cues during piano playing can enhance your musical experience in many ways. If you try it out, you might see a noticeable improvement in your performance. I hope you found this information helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!